Alright, tell me when.
Okay, go ahead. I'm recording.
Alright, here we go. This is the Gage Bros with our guest star, the Money Wolf.
The Wolf
And
Money.
The Wolf Money.
Shoot him. Shoot him now.
Uno momento.
Floaters gumbo.
Okay, first person shooter.
I'm horrible at this.
First person shooter.
Yeah, it's exploding!
First person shooter. Third person. First person. Third person. Hey, look where I'm recording from.
Oh, yeah, I see.
Okay, how do you shoot it again, Devin?
Oh,
What? Okay, hold it all the way back. Wow! You shot a rocket.
your butthole.
Okay, go. Here, let me do my power.
Alright, yeah. I'll hold the camera. Get this rocket.
Where should I blast it to?
Gage's butthole.
No.
Gage's butthole.
Hey, you're a guest star! So he's not a guest star anymore. I still don't understand how to shoot this thing.
Yeah, you have to have strength, Gage. So.
Oh! I did it! Look at it! Ah!
Thank you, Gage. Hold on, let's see what you did.
Crumbled it. You see this? It came off just a little bit. Ah! Oh,
Not
it's so
exploded.
strong. Yeah, really?
How do you shoot it?
You have to pull it like really far back.
Pull it all the way back.
Yeah, right there, and then shoot. First person shooter.
Oh, this is pretty lame, but oh no, it's not.
Here we go.
Pull it back.
No!
Hold on, I know what will get us views. Shoot me in the back.
Ow! Oh!
There was a rocket tough as butt. Alright, shoot me in the back. This will get us views.
No, you have to pull all the way back. First.
the Americans!
I got that.
Hurt.
Shoot him in the butt.
Hurt.
No, shoot me in the butt.
Okay.
No. I'm not.
Can I shoot?
Alright, here we go.
Record the rocket going up.
Here we go, recording a rocket. Oh my god, it's falling! I got it!
Look the whole world.
Where'd it go?
I'm
It's in the
gonna shoot
bushes.
Oh no, not me. Don't shoot me. No.
Oh! You're just standing in the middle.
No.
You better get out of the way.
Sad. God, telescope.
Okay, Damien, I think that's all for
I'm a pirate.
fun with exploders. Now, no shooting the camera!
I'm a pirate.
He's a pirate. Pirate with...
You see my eye?
Yeah, I see your eye. Anyway, what would you rate this experience, Damien?
5 out of 20.
Yeah.
I got shot in the back.
I would rate that part of this video a 20 out of 30. Yes. Anyway, that's all for fun with exploders. We will see you
And outside
later.
Fun with